Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, view and test. In today's video I have this 70mai Cordless Air Compressor 2. This is a new model, so let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. We have the user manual, the charging cable, Type A to Type C, 20 cm the length. With a 60 cm extended air hose and quick release valve connector. Lock and lock. Flexible. And there is the air compressor display at the front, huge display, ventilation left and right, storage, inflation needle. The most common and primary place to use is sports balls and team equipment like basketballs, scooter football, netballs, handballs and more. The cone nozzle for inflatable equipment like air mattresses and inflatable beds, large beach balls or floats and inflatable boats. The Presta valve adapter for bikes. Type-C connection, you can connect the cable and charge it. You need a 5V 2 amps. You can even use a power bank. It's fully charged, nice. Unplug. Here you can connect the hose. Nice and tight. And we have the light, equipped with dual LEDs for brighter illumination, making it easy to locate valves in low light conditions. The on-off button, press and hold to turn on. The button for the light, press once, press again, flashing slowly, flashing fast, and off. Nice, I like it. Definitely it will be very useful at the night. We have the decreasing and increasing button and the mode button. With a mode button you can choose car, by default it is 2.5 bars, motorcycles 2.4 bars, bikes 45 psi, balls 8 psi, and custom. Decreasing and increasing button you can adjust, press and hold and it will go faster. Maximum it is 150 psi. Press and hold, you can choose bar, press and hold again, kPa, different units, press and hold, psi. And for the car, you can increase 3.5 bar the maximum, motorcycles 4.4 bars the maximum, bikes psi, definitely it can go 150, 145. And for the balls, psi again, 16 psi the maximum. So many options. On custom, PSI it is 150, bar it is 10.3, the maximum, KPA 1030, the maximum, PSI again, and just press this button. And off. That's how you can turn it on. So definitely I would like to test it on my bike and my car. See how long it will take a flat tire to inflate with air. Let's do that. This is an absolute must-have piece of kit for your car. It's compact, powerful and incredibly easy to use thanks to the bright digital display and auto shut-off feature. Whether you need to top up your car tires, inflate a bike tire or get a sport ball ready, the 70mai air compressor handles it all accurately and quickly. It provides genuine peace of mind, ensuring you are never caught out with low pressure. So after inflating my mattress for 15 minutes and 35 seconds, two bikes for a total of 2 minutes and 10 seconds, and my car for 5 minutes and 23 seconds, the battery was fully drained. The total working time with a fully charged battery was therefore 23 minutes. So let's inflate the tire again with a fully charged air compressor battery. The ability to preset your target pressure and let the compressor stop exactly when it hits that point is fantastic for accuracy and preventing overinflation. Plus, the built-in LED light is a huge benefit if you ever have to inflate a tire roadside at night. It's small enough to fit under a seat but powerful enough to handle SUV tires easily. If you're interested in purchasing one of these reliable compressors for your vehicle, you will find the purchase link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next gadget review or car accessory test. Thanks for watching, stay safe on the road, and I'll see you in the next one.